Welcome to ClearTask. In this tutorial, we will format the chemical formula for sulfuric acid, H2SO4, correctly in Microsoft Word. Start by typing the text normally. H2SO4. Highlight the number 2. Hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and highlight the number 4. Both numbers are now selected. Navigate to the Home tab in the top ribbon. Click the Subscript icon, which is represented by an X with a small 2 at the bottom. The numbers will instantly drop below the text line. For a faster workflow, rely on keyboard shortcuts. Select the numbers 2 and 4 using the same highlighting technique. Press the Ctrl key and the equal sign simultaneously. This immediately applies the subscript formatting. If you are working on a complex chemistry document, the Equation tool provides a structural option. Go to the Insert tab and click Equation. Select Script from the top menu, then choose Subscript. Fill in the larger boxes with your chemical symbols and the smaller boxes with your numbers. These techniques ensure your technical documents remain accurate and professional. Subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward software solutions.